Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Call of Duty mobile on PC. So as you know it, Call of Duty cannot be run on the Tencent Buddy like how we play PUBG. So in order to install it and download it, first you have to go on Google and type Call of Duty mobile on PC. Click on enter. Now you may see many options and many emulators such as this first option when you play. This is usually the most best option and it is downloaded many times. Therefore it is always recommended. But I would suggest you to go for BlueStacks because BlueStacks is one of the most best mobile emulators for PC. Now I'm just going to go ahead and we are going to download BlueStacks. That is, we're going to click on download Call of Duty. This will automatically download BlueStacks. That is, you will get your normal Android emulator on your PC. As you can see, I've already downloaded BlueStacks. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So now you can see I've already installed it as well for the purpose of this video. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open it. We'll close this. Now as you know, once you download it and you begin installing it, it will start like this, and be advised, this will take almost 10 minutes to start and install. So now once it is installed and it has been launched, it will show you a screen like this which you already know. So now you have to go on the Google Play Store and have to click on sign in. Now once you sign in, you have to put your respective Google account with which you want to link your Call of Duty mobile on PC. Go ahead and click on sign in, and it may take a while, and after a while it will give you a successful message and it will close. So now as you can see, once you have signed in, it will open the Play Store directly, and I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to search for Call of Duty mobile. There it is. I've already installed it. It is a 1.5 GB game, so it will take some time. So now here it has been installed on the desktop. I'm just going to go ahead and open it right away. Give it some time. It will take some time to launch. So now as you can see, it has launched and it will give you all these permissions. Now this is how you play the game using the respective keys. So make sure you look at this once before you start playing. It is important. And as you can see, you have some multiple options here as well. You're going to just click on OK and grant these permissions. Also, you're going to click on allow. Now once it installs successfully, you are going to see this screen. That is the loading screen of this game. And now you know it, you have successfully installed this game. So thank you so much for watching.